All right, everyone. Today is Thursday. I'm going to show you something a little bit unique here with DayTradeToWin. This is the roadmap software. I'm showing you on NinjaTrader, but it's also available for TradingView. What we have here is these areas or these zones where the market is manipulated. And every time the market hits these zones, you have an opportunity to see the market bounce off of these areas. So it's not using prior support or prior resistance. So we're not looking at that. We're looking at something a little bit different. I'm going to explain it to you here. And this is a great example. As the market is going up here, you probably are considering where and when the market will take profit. So the way that it works is traders are buying, they're buying, they're buying, they're buying, they're buying, they're buying, and they're accumulating until it comes to a point where they want to take profit. And when it's time to take profit, they dump it. And so what you're seeing here is when it reaches these zones, we know in advance that we, first of all, need to be very careful and not take a long position if we're going up. And we may see an opportunity to sell it as the market turns around and goes down. So think of it as an accumulation and then a distribution. Now the same thing happened earlier today on the E-Mini S&P, where the market comes down to the zone, stops, it does not go through the zone, and then reverses, and we have a signal. The roadmap produces a signal to go long. The same thing is true here. Hits the zone. Remember, we're not going, in this case, long, and then it reverses. Doesn't quite reach the zone here, comes back again, and then pauses, right? It holds and does not go through it, and then it finally goes through it. So this is actually taking profit as well. The market stops in its tracks. Now, as another example, you can see that here, the market did not stop at all. There's nobody here taking profit or stopping it. So once it goes through the zone, here, I'll expand it here. Once it goes through the zone, it happened exactly through 1 minute. It's over. We no longer have to worry about it. We're going to the next zone, which is right here. So here we are right now. Market lands in the zone, stops and pauses. And what we're waiting for is to go short once it begins to reverse. Or, as you can see here, it's going through the zone and it penetrated it. So this is telling me that the market is not holding. It wants to go higher. As an example, this is an opportunity to be a buyer and to go long. So the roadmap is a filter, first and foremost. It's a strategy and a system, second. It is counter trend trading as well as continuation. So at the moment, the market paused and stopped, and now it wants to continue. So going long here would be a great opportunity. And then a new zone up here is created based on the market profile, the market momentum, as well as any accumulation and distribution that is happening into the future. So this is a long opportunity. All right, so now here we have the TradingView version of the roadmap. If you are part of the Accelerated Mentorship program, you have all the software. So I'm just choosing the roadmap here. And with the roadmap, you can see that the same thing is occurring. The market is coming into these zones, pausing, coming to these zones, pausing and continuing, going into these zones and continuing. So the roadmap is working on the TradingView version as well as NinjaTrader. The difference here on TradingView is it gives you a couple of different options as far as the entries. When it breaks the zones, it also provides signals to go long. As you can see here, the market is breaking the zone and it's going higher. So it works in the same way whether you have TradingView or NinjaTrader. If you have any questions, visit DayTradeToWin.com, get a free member account, and I'll see everyone at the next video. Want to learn more? Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with a free member account, which includes access to our trials, including the ABC software. Start learning the right way by using price action and avoid using conventional indicators. We offer unique strategies and proprietary software, including the Sonic system. Join Accelerated Mentorship and get instant access to all our software. Let's get you set up in the next training.